Today, we'll walk you through the process of changing your password on Etsy and sharing the security of your account. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign into your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account using your current email address and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to update your password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate your account settings, and you can typically find this by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, selecting account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to security settings. Within your account settings, look for the security or security settings option. Click on it to access the page where you can manage your account security. Step 4. Change your password. On the security settings page, you'll see an option to change your password. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter your current password. Etsy will ask you to verify your identity by entering your current password. This ensures that only authorized users can change the password. Step 6. Enter your new password. After verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Choose a strong and secure password that you remember but others won't easily guess. Step 7. Confirm your new password. To ensure accuracy, Etsy will ask you to confirm your new password by entering it again. Double check that you've entered the new password correctly. Step 8. Save your changes. After confirming your new password, be sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save or Update button. Step 9. Log in with your new password. Once your password is changed, use your new password to log into your Etsy account in the future. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Etsy. Your account is now more secure with your new password. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.